In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Facebook page to your Google Business Profile, a process that only takes about 5 minutes. Integrating your social media profiles with your Google Business Profile can enhance your online presence and make it easier for customers to find and connect with you across different platforms. So let's dive right in and go through this step-by-step guide together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to business.google.com. This is the website where you can manage your Google Business Profile information. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Sign In option. Click on this to log into your account. Be sure to use the Google account associated with your business profile to access the right information. If you've previously signed into your account, you'll be automatically directed to your business page. But if not, once you're signed in, you can navigate to your profile in a couple of ways. You can either use your browser's search bar to search for your business name, or simply type My Business into Google search. Both methods will lead you back to your business dashboard where you can begin making the necessary edits. Once you're on your Google Business Profile, look towards the left side of your screen for the Edit Profile icon. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your business profile. Click on this icon and it will open up a list of fields you can edit for your business. Next, scroll until you find the section labeled Business Information. Under here, you'll see a specific place for contact information. This is where you add your external links like social media profiles to your business. Scrolling down a bit further, you should see the Social Profiles section. This is exactly where we need to be for adding your Facebook page. There's a drop-down menu here designed to make things easier by listing all of the available social media platforms. From this list, choose Facebook. Once you've selected Facebook, you'll see a text box appear beside it. Here, you need to type in the URL of your Facebook page. Make sure you're using the correct full URL so visitors can be directed straight to your Facebook page without any trouble. Finally, once you're done entering your Facebook URL, remember to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all the changes you've made are stored and reflected on your business profile. And there you have it. By adding your Facebook page to your Google Business Profile, you're making it easier for your audience to engage with your business across various platforms. If you have any other social networks, you can follow similar steps to add them. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your business's online presence.